Look at this question from the Fermat Contest in 2020. So the question says, in Rad's garden, there are exactly 30 red roses, exactly 19 yellow roses, and no other roses. How many of the yellow roses does Rad need to remove so that 2 out of 7 of the roses in the garden are yellow? Okay, so 2 out of 7 of the roses in the garden are yellow. We don't know how many roses are going to be left in the garden after removing it. So, okay. So why don't we put that as, why don't we say the number of roses in the garden that are left can be X. So roses, okay, instead of saying roses left are X, we could actually be more precise and say, because we're removing only yellow roses, we're not removing the red ones. So we can be more precise and say that we can just say that X can be, let X be the number of roses, yellow roses, removed. Okay. So if that's the case, then the number of roses left in the garden will be the number of red roses. So the left, what's going to be left is remaining roses is going to be 30 red roses plus 19 yellow roses minus the number of roses that we have removed. So, and how many do we remove so that 2 out of 7 in the garden are yellow? So then how many yellow roses are left in the garden? It's gonna be 19, right? Sorry for the 19 minus X. So that's going to be the number of yellow roses left over the total number of roses, which is 30 plus 19 minus X. That has to be 2 out of 7, right? 2 out of 7 of the roses are yellow after removing some of the yellow roses. So we can just cross multiply, 7 times, so cross multiply, so 7 times 19 minus X on the one side, and then we have 2 times 30 plus 19 minus X on the other side. So then what's this? 7 times 9 is 63, 13 minus 7X. And then we have this 30 plus 19 is 49. And 2 times 49 is 98 minus 2X. Okay, and then we can just rearrange, put this over there, put this over there. So 133 minus 98 is 45 equals to 5X, right? Hope I didn't make a mistake here. So then your X will be 9. And that is not one of the options. Where did I go wrong? Oh, This is not 45, this is 35. So then x is 7. Okay, so then I guess the answer is E. 7 roses needs to be removed. Let's check our answers. So if we removed 7 roses, then 19 is going to be 12. So then the total number of roses will be 12 plus 30 will be 42. So then we will have 12 out of 42 roses, which if we divide the top and bottom by what? If we divide the top and bottom by 6 and 6, we get 2 out of 7. Yes, that is correct.